Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tips of the Day. Today I am going to share with you my most favorite and essential code extension. The code extension has features way beyond the scope of this video, so I am going to describe the complete documentation in the comments below. Let's start the video. Firstly, we need to open VS Code. Click on the Extensions tab. Once you're there, search for VSCode Essentials and install it, link in the description. This is an extension that combines many individual extensions into one whole extension pack. Now you should have access to many features like enhanced comment highlights, styling, and wrapping, to-do manager, snippet manager and generator, run code, spell check, real-time collaboration with edits, calls, chats, and comments. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe, like and hit the bell icon below. Thanks.